right, so here we have a 2005 Chevy Tahoe with the 5.3 engine. We're going to go ahead and do an oil change on it. So the first thing we're going to do is remove our oil filler cap and pull up our dipstick, and we'll go ahead and lift the vehicle to drain it out. All right, so here we are underneath the vehicle. We have our oil pan and our drain plug. So I have a 15mm wrench. We'll go ahead and loosen up the drain plug. All right, so we'll go ahead and put our drain plug back in. All right. All right, so now we want to remove our oil filter. What I'm going to use is this oil filter tool. All right, so here we have our new filter. We're going to go ahead and fill our filter up with oil to help the engine prime from the dry start. So we'll go ahead and fill our filter up. All right, we want to lube our seal up. All right, we'll go ahead and put our filter back on. We want to make sure that the old gasket is not still stuck up there. We'll go ahead and put our new filter on. Go get it. There we go. All right, so we're ready to put oil back in it. Now we'll go ahead and start the vehicle up. So now we'll check our oil level. right, so it looks like we're right at the top of the scale there. Go ahead and do that again. All right, so we're right on the top of our fill mark. All right, and we're all set.